Hi class, for today we're going to focus on our mini project that's going to happen on Friday. Again, you're choosing a planet or other object that's in the solar system and you're finding information about it and you're going to present it. And you're presenting it like you're going to present it to the class or on the internet to about this with some facts, and it can be in a mini project or it can be kind of a paper. Maybe if it's a paper, if you read it out loud. At this point, I'm kind of tossing around the idea of putting it on YouTube, but a private YouTube, so only our class can see it. Now, when I talk about our class, it's actually all of Unity, so it's both second and third hour. Also, in this video, I'll show you how to get onto Encyclopedia Britannica. I know some of you already were on it before. And Jesse and I last night, we downloaded some apps to look at the stars, and we'll tell you about two of those apps, and that'll be right after this. Today, for the lesson part, and yes, you do the lesson part, click on the videos. Jessie from SciShow, she talks about the rocky planets, the first 4 planets in the solar system, tells about each of them. She just says just really good information, and it looks like it's for kids. It's not. The content's for like 6th, 7th, and 8th graders for sure, and it's just like, oh, this is a little kid thing, but it's really not. So click on that one, watch that one, and if one of your planets is in there, you can get some of the information from there. It's good information. And there's also one where she does the gas giants, and she talks about the planets that are in Jupiter on after the asteroid belt. And then the last video is about the dwarf planets, including Pluto, and some of the ones that are farther outside of what we think of like the solar system. So those are 3 videos that you'll watch today. Then IXL. Miss Brady talked in her introduction today that IXL opened up some stuff for us. The social studies is really great. She said, I looked at the science ones. It's not bad. It's not bad. It doesn't have scores like numbers that you would get. It's more of accomplish this section and accomplish this section. It seems to be more like there's some math involved, so you can use a calculator, but give it a try. It's GG4. It's in the comments below with the directions. And let's see, after that, your question for the day is write down 3 facts that you have found out about the planet or object that you're doing, and then just type them in the comments. And that'll be part of what you're doing for your project. And if you have any questions, again, just email me or put them on the comments here and we'll see. But your assignment, or a task, I guess, your task is to write 3 facts that you found out about your object, the thing that you're going to be doing the project on. Next up will be how to get onto Encyclopedia, and then after that, Jesse and my last night looking at the apps for the start. To get to the Encyclopedia Britannica site, just go to Classrooms, click on Library Learning Commons, go down, find Encyclopedia Britannica, click on that. They'll take you to this. Use the code SDLAX, and same exact thing for password, SDLAX. Sign in, and then you can use the middle school one. Click on that. Do your search for your planet. And then you can decide what reading level you want it at. It doesn't matter. Make sure you can read it and be able to get information from it. And there you go. We are outside at night, and we each have a different app for looking at the skies. And at sunset, there were just a few clouds in the sky, and now there's a ton. So this isn't going to work as well as you thought, but it is kind of cool because you can use these apps. They'll go around. Mine is called Sky Light, L-I-T-E, and it's a free app. And what you do is you can look up, and you can see, and if we had the stars up there, we could actually see what stars that we are behind there. But it still shows up and shows different aspects. And I was looking for the planets, and I can find Venus. It's just above the horizon, and I can click on it. It tells me where different things are. So I can gives me some information like when things are going to be coming, but I can actually look down below what'll be coming up soon from below the Earth.
Alright, then the other app we got is called Sky Safari. And this is kind of the same idea, except this one will show you the big picture instead of just what's right in front of your eyes. So you can see a whole bunch of them and you can zoom in and see all the star constellations. But same idea, just different app.
Yeah, if you can, they're both free, and if you get those downloaded, I don't know if you can put them on your iPads or not, but if you could, that would be awesome. And if not, maybe at home or if your phone or one of your folks' phones, you can put that on there. It'd be neat just to see where things are. Oh my gosh, Jesse. Saturn, Mars, and Jupiter in the basement. How the heck can they be in the basement? What the heck?
What the heck?
They're in the basement.